Welcome to Free Documentary Uganda. We are dedicated to bringing high-class documentaries to you on YouTube with the latest camera equipment used by well-known filmmakers working for famous production studios. You will see fascinating shots from the deep seas and up in the air, capturing great stories and pictures from everything our beautiful and interesting planet has to offer. Enjoy stories about nature, wildlife, culture, people, history, downtown streets, daily life walking tour, world-class buildings, construction and more to come. Hello family, welcome back to another episode. It's Free Documentary Uganda. Like, share, comment and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. And today we bring to you the progress of the construction for the new Jinja Crested Crane Hotel is expected to be completed in December 2023. The construction of a 16 billion shillings 3-star hotel at Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institutes in Jinja district is nearing completion. Engineer Michael Pandey, the Competitiveness and Enterprise Development Project Head Engineer, has said, "The Competitiveness and Enterprise Development Project is a World Bank-funded project that is mandated to deliver projects and supplies on behalf of government. Among the Ministry of Tourism projects that the Competitiveness and Enterprise Development Project is working on include Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institutes, Uganda Wildlife Research Training Institute, Uganda Wildlife Research Training Institute in Kasese and National Museum, among others. The Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institute's project is being handled by Rocco Construction Limited and it will be delivered by December. It was supposed to have been delivered 12 months after it was launched in 2018, but we have had a lot of issues on the contract, Pandey said. The second phase of the project, which is estimated to cost 14 billion shillings, involves the construction of a block that will house classrooms, a computer laboratory, library, language labs, language laboratories, language labs, front office, offices and sports and demonstration facilities, among others. The Uganda Hotel and Tourism Training Institute started in mid-1980s after a feasibility study under the UNDP projects. The institute was established at Fairway Hotel in Kampala in 1989 as a pilot school under UNDP. when Fairway Hotel was repossessed by its original owners in 1991. UNDP pulled out of the project, leaving it entirely to the government of Uganda, who subsequently moved the institute to Crested Crane Hotel. Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.